Chinese tattoos have become increasingly popular in recent years, as many people find the characters aesthetically pleasing and imbued with cultural significance. But I've seen so many Chinese tattoos are either weird or cringy, including some celebrities. Let me show you. The first one we're looking at here is 酱油, means soy sauce. Maybe he really loves soy sauce. 酱油. And then the second one, oh my god, this is a long one. Let me read it. 我不知道，我不会说中国话. So the 我不知道 part is simplified Chinese characters. And then the second part, 我不会说中国话, the 会说 and then 国 and then 话, they're traditional Chinese characters. So basically his tattoo means I don't know how to speak Chinese. Oh my god, this one is bad. It is 狂见人. 狂 in Chinese means crazy. And then the second and then third characters, they're one word. 见人 means bitch. So basically she tattooed herself crazy bitch. Oh my god. This one is, the first character is 坏. It means bad. And it's traditional Chinese characters. And then, oh, I just realized he actually tattooed the second word wrong. I think he wants to do 坏男孩. It should be 坏, bad, and then 男孩, it means bad boy. But he did 坏 and then 孩男, so he did the second word wrong. It should be 坏男孩 means bad boy. So I guess this 坏男孩, this bad boy, probably can be with the last one, the 狂见人, the crazy bitch. You guys would make a perfect couple. Next one is 金猪, but he tattooed the 猪 upside down. 金 means gold. 猪 means pig. So, gold pig. Personal preference. Next one. 我不吃肉. I don't know what's the 88 there, the 88 for, but the second part is, the right part is 但是我咬. So it means I don't eat meat, but I bite. Why? And then number 7. Oh gosh. Left one, left part. You read from left to right. So it's 杀害他们全部. And then the right part, oh God. And then the right part, 让神整理他们. So the left part is kill them all. The right part is let God deal with them. That's terrible. Gosh. Next one, number 8. This one is just one single character, one word. 快. And I assume this one tattooed on a guy. So he wants to let everyone know that he is fast. 快. Next one. The tattoo on a girl is kind of normal, but I feel like the guy, the Asian guy on the left side is trolling her, put water on his arm. So the girl's tattoo, the top one is 独立 means independent. And then the horizontal characters, 无情, they're traditional characters, especially the 无. 无 is traditional, and then 情 is simplified. So 无情 means heartless, cold-hearted. And then the vertical characters, again, 好奇. 好奇 means curious. Good troll. Water. Next one, number 10. I think she wants to do 性感. One word, 2 characters. But I assume she doesn't know 性, the left part, radical, supposed to be with the right part. And then they are one character. You can't separate them. It doesn't make any sense if you separate them. It should be 性感, the one character together. Means sexy. Next one. This one doesn't make any sense. It's 马路 外人 literally translation is horse, deer, foreign person. Next one. Oh, so this guy is a Russian tennis player, and I guess he's zodiac, and then his tattoo is hou, means monkey, and I guess his zodiac is monkey, which is not too bad. Okay, next one. So this one is from a movie, and do you know who this actor is? His tattoo is 罪. 罪 means sin or crime. I haven't watched this movie yet, but the actor is Justin Timberlake, JT. The next one is, so I think he did some fake tattoos just for the movie. On the side is 风土水火, means wind, earth, water, and fire, which is kind of normal, kind of, gangster style. So on his left arm, on the right side of the picture, is Liu Bing. Liu Bing means ice skate, but it also means something different. Not sure if in that movie he's a gangster or a drug dealer, but Liu Bing also means someone does drug, especially meth. This one is traditional characters. This one has one traditional characters in there. So from top to bottom is 上帝与你常在. God is with you. It's pretty good, and I think for tattoos, font matters. And this 上帝与你常在, her tattoos, her Chinese characters, doesn't seem like a good font. And next one, from top to bottom, 信, trust or believe. And then 爱, love. And then 家庭, 2 characters, 1 word, means family. And the next one, 相信神, believe in God. All good characters, all good meanings behind it, but I feel like her tattoos are too big. Next one. Oh, I love this one. Is 力. 力 is strength and power. It's pretty good, just 1 character and on the back of her neck, so cute. And then the last one is a very good font. I love it. And then it's red, which is very unique. And then they're both traditional Chinese characters. So it's 长乐. So 长means time-wise or length-wise long. So 乐is happy or happiness. So 长乐means happy forever. It's pretty good tattoo, and I love the color, I love the font. So what do you think about Chinese tattoos? They can be a very meaningful and beautiful way to express oneself, but it is essential to be careful and thoughtful when getting one. You just need to make sure that the translation is accurate and you understand the cultural significance of the characters you're using. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.